Hello everyone. In the previous module of Python Pandas, we have discussed about Pandas, its features and the series data structure. In this module, we will do some practical based upon series data structure. So let's start with our script mode in Python and perform some computation using series data structure. Here I am writing a command creating an empty series. How we can create an empty series using Pandas? The simple syntax is series object equals to pandas dot series. Here S is capital in series method. As you can see that there is no argument in series method between parentheses. For creating an empty series, we have to import pandas and give an alias name as pd, where data is a series object, or you can say a variable equal to pd.series and print the data. Save the file. I will save my file on desktop. The file name is series. Save. So as your program will run, it will create your empty series. As you can see in the program, there is no argument, so it will not display anything. Yes, here it is. Here you can see this is your series which contains nothing. It means this is an empty series. Next is, we want to create series with arguments. So we will do some changes in the syntax. It will accept the argument, data and index. For example, here is my data 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is an integer type of list which is stored in variable data, and using series method, here I am passing only data, not the index. As you can see, let's run the file. So it will display your index by default. It will start at 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you are not passing your index, it will start your index position from 0. Here I am assigning or change the index labeling A, B, C, D. There are 5 elements in data variable, so I have to pass 5 characters for index value. So here is my index A, B, C, D, E and the data. So these are to my argument. First is data, second is index. You can also write in different format. The output will be same. Like data and index, it will display the same result. So you can write the statement as you like. Next is creating series from constant value or scalar values. It means my value is fixed it will be constant. So how it will print? Let's do some changes. So here is my constant value 10, which will be displayed at index as A, B and C. When you run this file, it will display 10 at index position A, B and C. You can also create series with index of string. Here I'm writing this statement. This is my string yet to start. And the index is in a string, that is, first is Delhi, second Sonipat and Panipat. So this is my index. So it will display the result. Delhi yet to start, Sonipat yet to start and Panipat yet to start. So these are my string indexes and the constant value yet to start. Now let's create a series with the range function. As you know, the range function will display your number n-1. If I am using range function with the value 5, so it will display my numbers 0 to 4, n-1. So here I am writing the command. Range function will display the number from 0 to 4. So as you can see here, by default it will display your index 0 to 4, and range function will also display the numbers from 0 to 4. You can also perform range function with for loop. So how it will work? Let's see. So my number will be start from 1 and the step value is 3, and it will goes up to 16. I am writing 17 here, it means n-1, so it will goes up to 16. The first number will be 1 and second is 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, and like this. And here I am writing the index where x is the variable, and it will extract one by one character from the string Ashish in variable x. That will be the index. Okay, just remove this parenthesis. So here you can see the name Ashish, it will extract one by one characters, and the step value will start number will start from 1 and the step value is 3, and the last number is 16. So range must be, the index must be same according to the numbers. It means there are 6 characters, and range will display 6 numbers also. First is 1, then 4, then 7, like this. Creating series from dictionary. Now we will see how we can create our series object using dictionary. So here is my dictionary. As you know, dictionary will start using parentheses and enclose using parentheses. And between parentheses we are writing two values. First is key and second is value. So here A is the key and 1 is the value. So there are 4 keys and 4 values in variable dictionary. Using pd.series, I passed this dictionary variable in series method and print the variable S. So it will display ABCD means keys and the values. So in dictionary all keys becomes your indexes and the values will be your data. And in the next module we will discuss about more computation based on series. Thank you.